Alright, so first thing, we got some coffee in a percolator. I don't have a espresso machine. A little bit of Wattleseed. Now this makes enough for 2 to 3 people, so I'm just going to sprinkle some over the top. And then put more coffee in to layer it out. Make a little well here. Smoothing it all out. And then in here, I've got 75 grams of butter. This is enough for 2 people. I like excess butter too. I used to use much less. This is just for me. In the actual product, it'll probably be about 50 to 60 for 2 people. So 25 to 30 each. And in here, I'm just going to put a tablespoon of Canadian maple syrup, a tablespoon of MCT oil, liquid coconut, and a tablespoon of colostrum. So I got my coffee going on the stove top, and over here in the sink, this is all clean. I got 2 cups with hot water that's warming up, and I've got the container in there with the water too to get it all melted a little before I blend it all together. That's the last step, just blending it all. This isn't necessary. This is just like the warm cups makes a huge difference. I really do recommend it. Melting the butter, and that's just for fun. Why not? Man, look at that coffee. Oh, so the crema's starting to come out. So we take this off. And we'll let that just do its own thing now. Almost ready. Alright, so now all we do is get our coffee. Pour it in. And blend. And that's it. Whoop, coffee. Yeah. Pull this up. How thick and creamy it is. Oh man. Damn. Now it's time to taste test. Cheers. My God, that is the best coffee I've ever had.